Good afternoon, my dear children. Previous class we learned grammar point articles. From that articles we have learned use a, and these the different article. At the same, apart from these two, and there is one more topic is also that we have learned that is omission of article. Omission in the sense not used, article where we should not use. That's very important thing. Today, from the same unit and one more topic that which we have to learn, that is compound adjectives. Compound adjectives from unit 2, compound adjectives. So here listen, compound adjectives. Before I start this topic, let us see what is an adjective. Like generally adjective is a part of in parts of speech. Parts of speech, you know, my dear children. Parts of speech are 8: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Among that, and this is one, adjectives. Adjective in the sense, adjective is a word which qualifies or which describes noun or a pronoun. Noun or a pronoun. So, if you want to know what is the adjective, then you have to make the question how, what. So, with these, if you make a question, you will get the answer. That is nothing but adjective. Let us see example. Lata is a beautiful woman. My dear children, if you want to know Lata's quality, or if you want to know the adjective, pick out the adjective from the sentence. First of all, you have to make the questions yourself. Lata is a beautiful woman. See, the question is, how is Lata? See, the question, if you know the answer, if you want to get what is an adjective, so the question, how is Lata? Then what is the answer? So you will get the answer, Lata is beautiful. Lata is beautiful. So this beautiful is an adjective. The answer, when you make the question, the answer which you get, the answer is nothing but an adjective. This adjective qualifies Lata. Lata, which means noun. So, before I start, I told you that adjective is a word which describes or which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. That is called an adjective. Right? I hope you understood what is an adjective. Right, my dear children? Next point. So, compound adjectives. Let me analyze, let me give a brief discussion about compound. Compound. Compound means together, compound, which means connect or conjunction or connect or join. So these are the meanings of compound adjectives. So which means the two adjectives make an adjective. రెండు adjectives కలిపి ఒక adjective, ఒక complete adjective అవుతుంది. దానిని compound adjective అని అంటాం. Compound adjective. I hope you understand what is a compound adjective. For example, see, CLEAR, clear, that is an adjective, and SIGHT, sight. So this is an adjective, this is an adjective. If you combine these two adjectives, that is called compound adjectives. Clear sighted, right? Clear sighted. Because why I chose this topic, you may get 2 marks from this compound adjectives. How? Yalaga. Paper 2 lo section B grammar lo మీకు compound adjectives, closed adjectives, hyphenated adjectives, open compounds అని మీకు different adjectives అనేవి అడగడానికి అవకాశం ఉంది. కాబట్టి వీటిని మనం నేర్చుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా ఉందన్నమాట. రైట్? I hope you understand, right? Right, what are the compound adjectives from the textbook? Let us see. So from the unit 2, the compound adjectives from the some, and I'll tell some of the compound adjectives that I have picked from the textbook, from the lesson. Old fashioned, old fashioned, business like, reddish grey, double faced, see, ఇవన్నీ కూడా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ నుంచి తీసుకున్నవే. రెడిష్ గ్రే అండ్ డబుల్ ఫేస్డ్, which means cheated face, old fashioned. So here old is an adjective, fashioned an adjective. There are two so make a compound adjective. Business is an adjective and like is an adjective. So compound adjective. Reddish and grey, these two are adjectives, make a compound adjectives. Double is a double, that means single, double, triple. So whatever the coordinates that we treat and adjectives. And faced, face is a noun and faced is adjectives here, and so this is compound adjectives. So likewise this is a compound adjectives, and we a few are things and there are more. Let us discuss that. And here let me tell in the form of matching, and you also have to note it down in our notebook. So these are the from textbook I chose these are the from the textbook list A and list B, my dear children. So in list A, the compound and can match the List of the adjectives from the A and to B. This is the question. List A, first one clear. Second one new. Third one cold. Fourth one four. And fifth one curly, curly, curly. Sixth one well. Seventh one half, HALF. Eighth one 5. And ninth one peacock. And 10th one long. So these are the list. And what are the in the list B? List B. You also must note it down. A. Last. B. Sunk. C. Head. D. Blood. E. Day. F. Star. G. Red. H. Lay. I. Blue. Right? See here the answer is here. Let us see. Clear plus sighted. ఇక్కడ sighted ఒక word ఉంటుంది. The first one clear sighted. Clear plus sighted. Clear plus sighted. Clear sighted. And next one. New plus laid. New plus laid. New laid. New laid. Next one. Cold plus blood. Cold plus blood. Blooded. Cold blooded. Or next one. 4 plus day. 4 day. Next one. Curly plus headed, Headed, curly headed. Next one, well read plus read, R-E-A-D, read, well read. Next one, half, H-A-L-F, half plus sunk, S-U-N-K, sunk, half sunk. Next one, 5-star, 5 plus star, 5-star. Next one, peacock plus blue, peacock plus blue, peacock blue. Or next one, long plus last, plus last, long last. So we call them, these are the compound adjectives. These are the compound adjectives. Here there are two adjectives, and these two adjectives make a one adjective, that is called compound adjectives. All of you, please note it down. Everyone must write in your notebook, because based on this, and we have to make the blanks with suitable adjectives. So that's why first of all you have to write in notebook. Okay children, or next to, based on this, let us see the blanks filled with suitable adjectives. Here, the first one, fill in the blanks with the suitable above compound adjective. Sindhi is very dash about her choice. About her choice. And second one is the headmaster suggested dash trip to Hyderabad. And third one is the dash girl, the dash girl who is under the tree, is my sister. is my sister. And fourth one is, all the people were shocked. All the people were shocked at the sight of this dash murder. We'll stop. And the next question. After the terrible tempest, comma, the dash sailing boat was unusable. Right? Sixth blank. Prasad booked a room in a dash hotel for Srikanth. Right? And the seventh question is, every week dash eggs are used by my mother to make some wonderful cakes. Are you writing? You have to write. Next question. This dash COAT coat, this coat is too large for me. Next question. It was a dash war between the English and the French. Look at the children. Here, look at the globe. Look at the board. The English means the English people. The French means the French people. Don't think it is a language. And the tenth one. Like to correspond. I like to correspond. I like to correspond with this. With this dash teacher. She speaks about interesting topic. She speaks about interesting topics. So, my dear children, here, if you observe the sentences, there are 10 blanks we have given, and these 10 blanks, just before we have learned the compound adjectives. Which adjective is suitable according to the sentence, you have to fill that blanks. So this is a task that you have to do, and which you have to write in your notebook. So let us see. Sindhu is very dash about her choice. For example, if you see the answers, definitely the answer is clear, sighted. Sindhu is very clear sighted. And the headmaster suggested 4-day trip. 4-day. And third one, dash girl who is under the tree is my sister. Curly headed. Curly, curly headed. 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 Curly headed. Next one. And all the people are shocked at the sight of this cold-blooded. Right? And the next question. After the terrible tempest, the half sink, half sunk, or sink. Then Prasad booked a room in a hotel for Srikant. Prasad, not Prasad, our Prasad sir. Don't think Prasad sir. You only hear Prasad. That is 5-star hotel. మీరు ప్రసాద్ సార్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళకండి మళ్ళీ ఇంటిలో వద్దా. నెక్స్ట్ ఎవ్రీ వీక్ new laid eggs. Next, this 8th one, this dash coat is too large and peacock blue coat. Peacock blue. It's a kind of color. It was a dash. Next one, long lasting. It was a long lasting was next. Well read. I like to correspond with this well read teacher. That means well read అంటే బాగా చదివిన టీచర్ అని కాదమ్మా ఇక్కడ. She has a lot of knowledge now. So well read. Okay. So my dear children, these are the compound adjectives which I have connected, which I have filled this blank. So just what I have taught you, everyone should note it down.